Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In this quick tip, we are going to look on how to replace a character in a string using JavaScript. Now we are in browser console, so create a string variable. Okay, now we create our string variable. So the method that we are going to use is replace. This method is used to return a new string with all the matches replaced by a pattern. So the first argument is the letter that we want to replace, and the second argument is the letter that we want to replace with. Now let's replace E with K. So E and the comma, then the second argument is also a string, so let's add K. So now we are going to replace E with K. Okay, then hit OK. Now you see the letter E change to K. In the first argument, we can also use regular expression. Now let's try regular. So now let's replace L, then slash L slash comma, then the letter that we have to replace with, let's replace with Y. Okay. Okay. Now you see our first L is replaced by Y. So if you want to replace all the same character in a string, like this one is, we have 3L. But this method is replace only the first L. So now if you want to replace all the same character, we are going to do something like this. Dot replace. In our first argument, we are going to use regular expression like L slash, then we are going to add G. This G is going to replace all the L that are available in our string, comma, then K, Y. So now if we have, okay, now you see Y replace all the L in our string because we add this G. This G stands for global. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in our next quick tip.